Today's video is going to cover the Garmin navigation and radio operation on our Ford vehicles. Starting with navigation, we're going to go to the Where To button, bringing us to the Go Home, the address, the saved, the recent locations, local national parks, all campgrounds, planned RV services, categories, TripAdvisor, and historical landmarks. Let's start with Go Home. Upon typing Go Home, wait for it to enter in, and it'll bring up your route, giving you your destination time, miles, and your route. From the back arrow, it brings us back to our home screen. On the home screen, we can now select the radio, bringing up our different sources. AM. In order to change back from your source, you select the icon in the left-hand corner, bringing up your other sources, FM, Sirius, Bluetooth, and USB with auxiliary. USB is for the USB in the far right corner of your console. The USB in the center underneath the radio is for charging purposes only. Covering Sirius XM, when selecting Sirius XM, you will need to go to channel 000. This will give you your radio ID. The radio ID is required by Sirius XM for connectivity between their satellites and your coach. Next, we're going to cover our system update. Go into this menu, option Tools, scroll to the bottom, selecting System Updates, allow your internet connection to check for updates. It says we have updates available. You'll select the option. It'll bring up what is available, the size, and a question if you wish to proceed or not. Proceeding may take a while, so you may want to do this plugged in. Next, we're going to cover the option of using your rear view camera while driving down the road. Selecting your menu, go into Tools, select the camera from the top, and it'll bring up your rear view camera, allowing you to see your in-tow vehicle.